Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. In this video I will be showing how you can change your email address on Twitch. First go to twitch.tv, then click on your profile picture at the top and click on Settings. Click Security and Privacy. Click on pencil icon right next to your email. Now enter the new email address that you want to use in your Twitch account. Click on Save. Enter your Twitch password, then click Verify. Now check the inbox of your old email address that you were using for the verification code. Enter the code and click Submit. Now check the inbox of the new email address that you just added for the verification code. Copy and paste the verification code and submit. You have successfully changed your email address on Twitch. Thanks for watching.